This morning I've been given the task to clear the gutters around this large lakeside property in Nottinghamshire. It's a big place. I expect there to be areas of troublesome access, but we shall see. Join me. We'll spend a day in the life of the cherry picker man. First things first, I better get through this gate. I mean, there is nothing more troublesome to access than a gate that's locked in your way. Okay, we are in. There is loads of space. This is like the cherry picker man's dream job because I am just spoilt for space. It's my job to do all the gutters, get everything cleaned out, get everything working properly. There's no massive issues with access. There are some bees over there. We'll avoid them. But yeah, let's crack on. Let's get this machine off. Let's get it up there. Let's start clearing out these gutters. Don't need too much equipment for this job. Definitely need my headphones. And I need to put my harness on. This harness has been supplied to me by Safehold UK. Safehold, I mean, brilliant company, supplying equipment for the lifting and accessing company. They've also supplied the ratchet straps on the cherry picker. Been really impressed with this harness. It's just really comfortable, easy to use, and just generally been a great addition to my work. If you're going to have to wear a harness and you're going to have to be in it for God knows how long every day, get yourself a decent one. Safehold, I'll put a link in the description. Yeah, but you know, like all harnesses, if you don't stow it away properly, it will get tangled. But check it out, like, just clips together, no fiddly bits. Okay, good. Other bits of equipment we'll need some gloves and my trusty blower, because that is the perfect tool for this job. I'll take my big green bucket, yellow bucket, my gorilla tub from Red Gorilla, and away we go. Wow, look, check this out. We've found ourselves a little woodlice habitat here. Sorry guys, gonna have to evict you. Alright, check this out. Reckon it's blocked? Wonder how difficult that's going to be to get out. Let's take a look. Hopefully I'll just be able to pull it out. Well, I've definitely done some good there. Right, next bit. Okay, the next thing I got to do is clear out this valley. It's between two raised sections of roof. My idea is I'm going to position the basket into this valley, then step out of the basket onto the valley itself. Now this should be safe enough because I've got the basket blocking the entrance off the roof, and I've got raised roofs either side, so there's nowhere I can fall, so no risk involved. I think it's highly likely I'll have somebody say in the comments, you should never step out of your basket. Well, you can do if you need to get the job done and it's safe enough to do so. And you've got a full and thorough risk assessment in place. Well, I've done it now. I've been slightly ambitious with the reach of my machine and just left just a metre section over there. So I'm gonna have to go down, reset up, grab that, come back this way. It's a bit annoying, but it's what you get when you get too ambitious. Not that I'm knocking ambition. I got a bit carried away with the clearing these gutters out, and now my basket is resembling a wheelbarrow. So in that spirit, I'm gonna track this machine back round the corner to the skip that's there, so that I can empty this basket and carry on. I could try and fill buckets and whatnot, but I think it'd just be easier just to track the machine around the corner and get it done that way. Right, crack on. Right, the next bit of this job takes me around to the other side of this fence. Means I've got to track around the grounds and then take the machine into quite like a little tight little courtyard. It's going to be a bit of a stretch to get all these gutters. I'm not sure if I'll be able to reach them all, but I'm just going to have to do what I can. So I'm going to lift the legs on this machine, get it packed up, take it around there and crack on. But so far everything's going well. But there's a lot to this job. It's actually a bit harder work than I was anticipating, but at least I've got my book and at least I don't have to think too hard about it. Right, I've managed to squeeze myself in here, only just, but I think I'll just have enough reach to get up there, clear those gutters and do all of these around me here, and then I can get out of here, and then that's the only sort of difficult bit to reach. I think the rest should be plain sailing, if not quite a bit of it though, especially around the corner. Those valleys that I've got to clear out, there's a fair few of those, but let's get this bit done and then we will move on. Time to get this machine out of this section, and probably good to get rid of some of this rubbish as well. That's my next job. Okay, basket emptied again. Let's go around and crack on, but there's a fair bit left to do. I've still got to clear out all these valleys, a few gutters, and I've got a couple of other buildings here as well that need to be done. So it's 1 o'clock now. I'd better get cracked on, better get on with it. Got two options here. I could take my machine through that gateway and clear the gutters on the patio, or I can do it from this side of the fence. Now I'm thinking there's going to be a lot of stuff coming out of here and I'm going to need to empty it regularly, so it'd just be easier to boom over this sort of fenced area, even though I'll have to move my machine more often, but at least that way it'll be easy for me to empty the basket when it gets full. I can just take it all to the skip without having to come through there every time. So that's what I'm going to do. And also, you know, I think this bucket, it's just in the way. May as well just get rid of this bucket and just fill my basket up with the waste, because actually tipping out the basket straight into the skip seems to be working quite well. So that's what I'm going to do. That is what I is gonna do. Crack on. Almost done. All I've got to do now is this house, but there are bees. There are bees on this house. Check this out. Probably not the best example, but trust me, they're there. So we're not going to do that lower bit. We're going to go around and do the rest of this. Quite a complicated little roof, or big roof, and yeah, and that'll be me. So, without further ado, let's crack on, get this job done, and then I can go home. Should be nice. There you have it, that is all the gutters done. I'm just going to go and empty my basket now, put the machine back on the trailer, and then it'll be time for home. So that's good. There you have it. Everything is cleared out, everything is clean, flowing nicely, ready to go. That is my job done. I hope you've enjoyed spending the day with me. If you've got anything to say, leave it in the comments. If you've liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more high access type work. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next job.